What's up, everybody? Welcome to Just Angelic. Tell us on the comment section, how are you doing? Today we are unboxing this. So this is how the set comes packed, as you can see, and this is the box. It has been written 12 pieces. Let's dive in. I really wanted a cookware set that looks clean, simple and timeless, and stainless steel was definitely one of the options I had in mind. So today, let's open everything together, see what comes in the box, check out the different size and have a closer look at the quality and design. Let's open the box. So this is how the set comes packed. Everything is packed individually, as you can see, which I actually like because it helps protect the pots and the glass lids while they are being transported. And honestly, opening new kitchen items, it's one of my favorite things. You people already know, because it makes the kitchen feels even more exciting. I'm also slowly putting together my kitchen, so getting a complete cookware set like this feels like another little milestone. One thing I immediately noticed about the lids is the red silicone handles. At first, I was a little bit skeptical about getting the pots because of the red silicone. But the glass lid is also great because you can see what you're cooking without constantly having to remove the lids. What do you think about the lids and the pots? Comment on the comment section. So let's start with our smallest one and work our way up. So here is our smallest pot. It has that classic stainless steel finish, which I really like because it gives the cookware a clean and a modern look. Let's know in the comment section, what do you think about it? To me, I like the pot design of the pot. The handles are on both the pot and the lids, so they add a little bit of color to an otherwise very simple stainless steel design. Let's know what you think about the pots. For the smallest pot, I think the size will be really useful for things like heating food, making small portions, sauce, or anything that doesn't require a huge saucepan.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living ain't never gonna.
Moving on to the next pot, as we go up in size, you can really see the difference between each and every one. I like that the set gives you several sizes instead of having just 1 or 2 large pots. That means you can choose the pot depending on whatever you are preparing. And again, we have the matching glass lids with the red silicone handles.
Give it up, double shot for the gifted, one more for us.
And now we are getting into the bigger pots, and this is where you can really appreciate having a full cookware set. Instead of having just to use the same pot for everything, you have different sizes depending on what you're cooking.
There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah.
The stainless steel finish also make the whole set look very uniform, and I really like the combination of the stainless steel body with the glass lids and also the red silicone handles. It's simple, yes, but still a little bit of character. Here is another one of the larger pot, and just look at the size between this one and the smaller pot we started with.
Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day.
And we also have a pan included. Actually, wasn't going to forget about this one because it's an important part of the set. It's always useful having a pan that matches the rest of your cook. You can use a pan for things that don't necessarily require pots or deep pots, so having both pots and a pan give you a little more flexibility when cooking. And once everything is set together, the whole set looks really nice. Let's know in the comment section what you think about this.
All night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get get it twice the time of your life.
So this is the 12-piece set, and it comes with 6 stainless steel pots and 6 matching glass lids. And as you can see, we are having everything from the smallest pot all the way to the biggest one, plus a pan. What do you think about this set? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And again, we have the matching glass lids with the red silicone handles. Let me put the lids on so you can see how it looks when everything is set together. And let's know in the comment section if it actually looks really neat or neat. When you're buying cookware, I think having different size is one of the things that makes a set practical, because you are not always cooking the same amount of food.
Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, like it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast, yeah.
So here is the complete set. We are having 6 stainless steel pots, 6 matching glass lids, and the pan. I really like how all the pieces match. The stainless steel gives everything that clean, timeless look, while the red silicone handles add a little pop of the color.
We can't get enough, we stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember you.
And because the lids are glass, you can easily see what's happening inside your pot while you're cooking. For someone setting up a kitchen, I think getting a complete cookware set like this makes things much easier, because you already have several different sizes to work with.
You don't get it twice the time of your life. This is the time of your life.
Overall, I'm really happy with what comes in the set. I love the stainless steel finish, I like the different pot size, and I especially like that all the pots comes with the matching glass lids.
Remember, you don't get it twice the time.
The red silicone handles are also a nice little detail and make the set stand out. Now that the unboxing is done, the next step is obviously putting these babies to work in the kitchen. If you're interested in seeing how I use them and how they perform with actual cooking, definitely stay around, because there will be more kitchen content coming.
Remember, you don't get it twice the time.
If you enjoy this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next video.
The time of your life.
And that's bring us to the end of today's unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye till next time.